Hey guys, this is me Priya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok missing eye icon on TikTok. So first of all, what you are going to do is open up the TikTok application on your mobile phone devices. Go into the profile option that is at the right below bottom corner of your screen. When you will go there, eventually this kind of screen is going to pop up in which you are going to look for eye icon that would be drive just beside this three bar icon at the top right screen. So if you don't have it, you don't have to worry about this. Go into the inbox option that is at the bottom of the screen at the left bottom just beside the profile icon here. I tapped into the inbox option. Now what you are going to do is you are going to look for the notification only from the TikTok. I see, or I will try to find out any notification or anything that is related to missing eye profile view, and it's quite okay. If you don't find it, you have to just close down your TikTok application. You are going to go into Play Store, search here TikTok, and you are going to just update that install TikTok application. When you have installed and updated that TikTok, hopefully this icon would appear here. The function of this icon is to preview or to give you insight of how many people or views have been there on your TikTok profile. So this is how it is, very simple, and you just have to follow the simple step that I have told you or mentioned. So this was a process by which you can fix TikTok missing eye icon on the TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.